Empowerment starts with opportunity. One opportunity can change a life, a family, and a community. An opportunity to learn, an opportunity to train, and an opportunity to earn a fair wage. DECE was born from a vision of hope and the belief that when the potential in people is recognized, the cycle of generational poverty can break. Employment brings stability. Education brings hope in the ability to dream. Empowerment brings confidence and investment back into community. We believe in hope, in people's ability to make change happen. We believe in producing the highest quality products. We believe in using environmentally conscious practices and looking after our planet. When provided with an opportunity, a person can see their potential. They bring new ideas, gain stability, and dream. It all starts with a single opportunity. This is why. This is DECE.